I just got the Urban Decay Honey palette. I ordered it from Sephora. It just got here, so I went ahead and put together this look today. So if you'd like to see my tutorial for this look and what today's giveaway is, then just keep watching. God, I got this Urban Decay, the new Naked Honey palette. Guess what? I got this for $25. I'm so happy. The way I got it, now a lot of you guys are probably collecting points at Sephora if you're VIB Rouge. I'm pretty sure all the levels you can collect points. So I collected my points up to like 700 points, and then what it is you go under the rewards once you get to like 700, 1,000 points, and then it's not always there, but there'll be a coupon, and it was for $25 off, and they give you a promo code. So they are kind of giving, I guess it's like Ulta now, they're giving us money back. So I'm so happy, babes. Oh my god, this is my first time opening it. It just got here. So oh my god, look at how gorgeous that is. Wow, so cute. Love the honey font. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my, and you know what I'm really excited for? Wow, these are really gorgeous. Guys, aren't the Urban Decay brushes everything? They're so good. They are so good. Guys, you gotta see what's going on outside. It's like Jurassic Park out here, I swear to God. I've been wanting to tell you guys, I'm like, I see the craziest stuff outside here in Florida. Oh my God. The bugs, like you guys can probably imagine, the bugs are huge. So a lot of times they make the craziest noises. So a lot of times I'm like, I feel like I'm literally in Jurassic Park. But anyhow, let me see here, guys. Wow, this is so stunning. Oh my god, and I didn't even plan to wear this, but I feel like these colors are very complimentary, so that's pretty funny. So I don't know, guys. I guess I'm not gonna lie, after using such vibrant palettes lately, this is like, oh, it's different. Now this is different to me. So I'm just gonna make a look today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip right into this shade here, Sting. So I'm just taking this really nice brush that came in the palette. I'm so excited that I got this for $25 too. Of course, right? Who wouldn't? But guys, so I've already primed my eyes with my concealer. Let me just go ahead and smooth it all out. I also put on today the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, I think it's called. So I have that on my faces too. I'm just loving that lately. So I'm just stamping this shade on. This is the shade Sting. So I'm just stamping it on like so. Now I'm going to just take, let's see here, I'm just looking for a fluffy-esque brush. I have this really great brush that I purchased from Urban Decay. This is such a great brush. They do have single brushes that you could buy because their brushes are so good. So I guess I'll just reach into, let's see here, this shade here, Keeper. And I'm just going to put that right on the edge of Sting. I'm just going to stamp that right on top of Sting. This is a gorgeous honey shade. This is very honey-esque. Oh my god, this is really different. So I'm just going to blend that very gently down into Sting. Just so it gets, you know, I want to lighten it up a bit and just blend those two shades together. So let's do the other side now. I forgot, guys, I always forget, but I like to highlight my brow bone first, but I don't know why I have been forgetting to do that lately. So let me go, normally I do this first though, but let me just reach into this shade here, Flyby, on a shader brush, and I'm just tapping that under my brow bone. And I also like to take the edge right there and carve out under my brow bone, just like so. So now let's just take a clean fluffy brush and just buff those two very gently. We'll just buff that shade Keeper into Flyby. So just very, very gently, circular motions, just to get it nice and blended, like so. So I'm just tapping on a little bit more of that Sting right on the lid. And then actually I'm going to go over that with some of this shade Hive. So I'm just going to go over just the line just to get it a nice blend going. And then I'm going to go back in with Keeper. Just repeating previous steps now. So I'm just going back in with some Keeper on the smudger edge of this brush. And I'm just going to smudge that right down under my lower lashes. And then I do like to extend it as well. And then I like to kind of tap it as well. Just on any harsh lines where any of the colors are meeting. Just tap it right on top to get it nice and blended. Let's just buff out our edge really quickly again. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my Stay Naked concealer. And I've been loving this on my face, but I'm just going to use it right now to cut the crease. So this will really, of course, this will really help our glitters and shimmer shades to pop. So I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my crease right now. So I'm liking that so far. So I'm going to go ahead and really quickly now, while this is wet, I like to just go ahead and really quickly reach into the shimmer shade that I'm going to use. So I'm going to take, let's see here, a very, very small brush. And I'm going to take, let's see here, let's reach into Honey. It's just such a gorgeous, gorgeous, it looks very vibrant gold-esque. Let's just pop that on the front portion of my eye here, tapping it on. Wow, that's really stunning. That's not wet. That's right on its own. And I'm just pressing it and pulling it down. Wow, it's so stunning, very creamy, not chunky. I'm going to go ahead and wet it just to see if it comes out even more intense. Yeah, it's way more, it is more intense, but it's super intense on its own. So you don't even, ooh, it looks like liquid gold. Wow. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Ooh, they need to come out with a whole shimmer palette with shimmers like this, Urban Decay, because this is like, looks like liquid gold. It looks like it's glistening in real life. So I'm just gonna now transition that shade out. So I'm just gonna take Hive on a very small brush and let's just, you know, transition that gold out. So I'm just tapping on this shade, and then I'm gonna tap on Drip. That's our darkest shade, and I'll just put that right on the outer portion like so. And just tap a little bit more now. Go back in with Keeper, our first shade, and just tap that on very gently just to get the blend going. And now I'm going to just take some of Sting, the darkest shade again, on a smudger brush. And I'm just going to smudge out on the outer portion of my eye. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and really quickly do the same exact thing to the other eye. And then so I'll do the other eye and I'll put on my lashes and then I'll be right back. And then actually I'll do my face and then I'll be right back. So guys, I am using this YSL All Hours foundation again today. I have a video coming up with it where I tried it on. I could not believe the finish of this foundation. It's super glam. But then also I wanted to wear this today because with this really bronze eye, it looks so gorgeous with a tan complexion. So anyway, let me keep going, guys. I'll be back with my lashes on and my lips, and we'll do a lip together. So I'll be right back, guys. So dolls, I'm back. These are my Kiss lashes in the Nude Drama collection. These are the chiffon lashes. I love these so much. Now this is like my 7th or 8th day wearing these, so I gotta show you guys. I'm gonna do another video how I clean them, take care of them so I can keep wearing them, and I think they're staying perfect. I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna go in now with a really small, you know, angle type of brush, and I'm just gonna dip into the darkest shade in the palette, that is Sting, and I'm just gonna use this to line my eyes. Just going to tap off the excess and just tap it on. Don't drag it. That definitely tap off the excess when you're, if you want to do this, because it did make this different brushes sometimes will make fallout, you know, the way it's applying the powder, or you know, put some powder under your eyes to catch the fallout. So now guys, I'm going to take my Urban Decay. This is the Perversion liner. I absolutely love this liner so much. So I'm just going to go right over my lash band. This is pretty much just to disguise the lash band. So I'm just doing a very, very thin line. And then I'm going to just extend it a bit, but not too much. But you can always, of course, go as far out as you want. So that's, love this liner. It's like this is really the best liner I've ever used, I think. So I just want to really disguise that lash band. It's definitely the most precise. The formula is just amazing. It dries immediately. It just creates, for me, especially with hooded eyes, it's very hard to do wing liner, and this one is the best one I've ever used for wing liner. It's just like, it doesn't, because sometimes they get stuck in my hooding. You guys know if you have hooded eyes. But this one is absolutely amazing. I even put it, like I've shown before, on my lower waterline, and it doesn't irritate my eyes whatsoever. And my eyes are so sensitive. Virtually anything will make them tear up. So I think I'm really happy with this look. I'm just gonna do a lip now. I feel like this is almost like a very, I feel like 70s vibes. I feel like I'm not sure why, but I just feel like very 70s with this shadow, this color family that we have going on. I'm just going to do a chocolatey nude lip. So let me go ahead and put on my tried and true. This is my MAC liner, and this is Cork. And then I got this Kylie lip here. This is in the shade Mont Blanc. And I'm just going to put that on my finger and just tap it into my lips. It really creates the most gorgeous effect when you do it this way, guys. Maybe it's subtle, but if you're a makeup addict, it makes such a huge difference. What do you think, guys? I'm really loving a glossy lip lately, so I'm going to go over this with the favorite of the moment, probably forever, the NYX Madeline, and just in the center. So dolls, this is the finished look. Let me know if you'll be picking up this palette. What are your thoughts about it? I feel like it is a very golden, it really is honey-esque golden vibes, and it just definitely, I don't know why, I feel like 70s vibes. I feel like Cher-esque. I don't know why. Maybe it's my hair today, I don't know, but this whole look reminds me of, I feel very 70s. I feel like I really like that. It feels pretty awesome because it's like a natural glam. So it reminds me of the 70s when people would do like their eyes and then their face would be kind, but everything would be kind of natural, but you could see the glam. So that's kind of like how I feel with this palette on today. So it's so awesome because I wasn't expecting that. And I love when makeup can kind of transform you and make you feel just a whole nother kind of way. So that's pretty awesome. So definitely this gives you vibes. This gives you that 70s, you know, just sexy, natural, sexy look, you know. I don't know. I really love it. I don't know, is it like disco vibes? I don't know, but anyway, I really love it. I'm really happy that I did get it. I will definitely be doing more looks with this palette. I could definitely do a more natural look too, like if you don't cut the crease, you know, it will just come out more subtle and just look amazing for daytime and sexy nighttime looks, and like, you know, just when you want to look natural, bronzed, glam, you know, not too much, not overdone. I don't know, but I just really love it. So guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I am having a little pop-up giveaway today, so I'm giving away this gorgeous hologram makeup bag and the diamond palette. So this is a gorgeous, stunning palette, so I'm giving this away today. So if you'd like to be entered in my giveaway, just comment below and let me know if you will be picking up this palette. What are your thoughts, or what palette or do you have your eye on next? I know you guys had told me Norvina 2 already. Can you believe it? I'm shocked that it's coming out already. Is it like the same month? I'm really shocked, guys, but thank you for letting me know, because that's how I found out about it, from you dolls. So let me know any palettes that you'll be picking up in the future. Have any of you dolls gotten that credit with the Sephora points? That's amazing. That's the first time it happened to me. Definitely check your points. It's all the way at the end with 750 and up points. And then hopefully you guys can get it too and take advantage. That was amazing, $25 off. So please don't forget to subscribe and check out my huge monthly makeup giveaway. All my giveaways are for my subscribers, so definitely make sure you subscribe, and then you'll be entered into this giveaway and all my future giveaways. So turn on post notifications so you see when I'm online. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are doing amazing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye. Love you.